Well, guys, how are you now? Oh yeah, shut the parking brake off. Yeah. It is Monday night, and video I made earlier today, I found out that my parts won't be here till tomorrow. And they're calling. Since they're calling for rain and they're saying 2 to 4 inches tomorrow. We might get a foot. So I have some hay on the ground. I have to chop some anyways. I was hoping I could get this fixed. Talking about the bearings on the engine fan. So that doesn't go through the damn radiator, but no. Kind of make me mad because I called up there on Friday to get parts, and my guy that gets parts for me, this is actually my neighbor. He farms. I'm trying to hook up a wagon, and he was home. Yeah, that bearing ain't sounding very good. So he wasn't at work. I need a camera. One of these days I'm gonna get a freaking camera so I know the hell how far I gotta back up. I had a camera, but it's a cheapo and damn thing took crap on me, so. And I called up there to the implement dealer. And I talked to the other parts guy. He wasn't quite for sure what to order. So I had to wait till Saturday till he went back to work. And he ordered the parts, and parts ordered on Saturday don't come till, here goes Casey, she's selling shit. And parts ordered on Saturday don't come till Tuesday. So yeah, so that's great. Just minty. So, hopefully this son of a gun hangs in there for me. And I guess I'll find out. I don't want it to go through, but I need feed, so. What do you do, right? Look at the bugs. Anybody need any bugs? I'll bag them up for you and send them to you. Pretty sure I'm gonna know on that one. Alrighty, so we got the 18-foot H&S behind us. The 2 John Deeres, and they're both 16, and then another 16-foot H&S are sitting out there too. We got 6 chopper boxes total, 2 John Deeres and 4 H&S's. So I got, right now I have one with, well actually 2 with a flat front tire, so I need to get some tires. So we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully she hangs in there and get at least hay I got down chopped up and go from there. So, alright, well I'll bring you guys back there a little bit. It's been yammering along here long enough. You guys get a little night chopping. This chopper does have some really nice factory lights. It's got some LEDs, nice halogens on it. So. Yeah. They're made for all hours of night chopping. They don't roll. It's kind of hard to fall and chop at the same time. Well, this log. Sharpen knives. This is a lot of grass here. This was that one field that I cut where there was water standing. Grass chops hard, so you can tell it too. She really whines, howl from the cutter head. Oh, it's kind of a goofy shape in the corner here. Gonna cut this waterway here, but I gotta wait for the water level to go down. Look at the bugs. Thank God for a cab, that's all I can say. Man alive. Trust me, I've done field work at night on an open station tractor with lights, and I know the feeling. They're in everything. Yeah, well, all you guys know, so that they've been on an open station equipment at night. Eugh, yuck. Alright, well, got about a half load so far. More loads to go. That old, cross my fingers here. Fan doesn't let loose on me here. Get up here where there's water standing in the field. Look at that. Ahoy! We farming water. I always thought we should just start planting rice, maybe better off. Jesus, look at the bugs. Yuck! They're freaking covering the windshield. That's not all hay dust, that's mostly bugs. Alright, I'll bring you guys back in a bit. Yeah, I'm cutting a little bit more down. Keep changing the damn weather forecast. Rain didn't come till today, till I don't know. I guess it rained about an hour ago. And another front's gonna be come rolling in here in a little bit. It looks like it's gonna be a pretty good one. So, and tomorrow the same. They're calling for 100% rest today, chance today, and then 100% chance tomorrow. So I figured, well, maybe I just chop one more load. That way I got enough feed to make it through this weather here. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. We'll see what the damn weather's gonna do. What we got earlier for rain wasn't much, it's just like a dust dampener, so. But it's sprinkling now, and it's supposed to be here in about half an hour. I figure I better get my butt out here and at least get one more load. video it because it was nice and wet down there yet. So that wagon full. Hopefully it doesn't rain too damn much. Another part of the load out here. It's starting to rain right now, so don't want to hear it up too much more. The guy doesn't know what the right thing is to do. I don't know. Say the heck with it and see if I can get that last bit off. I don't know. See once. Yeah, I figured what the hell, must have cleaned it up. And it's off the field. You guys get a little closer look at the ruts. Be nice. Yeah, whatever. It's always wet in there anyways. It's a little lower spot in the field. It's not very much. I mean, it's like, it's just a little bit lower. Water just sits in there, so. Alright, well, a little bit more done before the rain, so. Kitties! Where are the kitties? Anybody want any cats? Free. Well guys, I'm down at the calf barn here today. It's Wednesday. Yesterday we got, what was it, 2 inches of rain. Yeah. So I'm working on, me and the wife are working on getting this. She got it cleaned out here the other day, and ran to town to get some wire paneling. We originally used to have just sheets of plywood in there, individual pens for the calves. And it seemed like it just, especially in the summertime, and wintertime it doesn't matter, but in the summertime you got to get some airflow in there. Otherwise, it just, the sheets of plywood just kind of holds the air in there, and it's so much harder on their lungs and everything. So we're gonna try that. Yeah, but they only had 2 16-foot chunks of cattle paneling, so hopefully they said they're gonna have some here this end of the week. They said everything's on back order and wonder why everything's screwed up, everything anyways. So yeah, so we're gonna get this, working on this. I'm working on getting a fan put in here, this one here. I'm gonna hang that up on the wall there, right there. I'm gonna take that one out. Don't know where I'm gonna put that one yet, but it will get used. So we're just running that one now, just get everything dried out in here and stuff after we got it cleaned out. And Martin Swallow. So yeah, so rainy day projects. Well, it's not a rainy day, but it's kind of muddy out in the field to do anything. So yeah, so that's that. So all I did is just cut them down from 16 foot and, well, a little more than half. That side's 7 foot and this side's 8 foot. It is what it is. Ain't no big deal to me. So yeah, so that's what we're working on here today. Plus chores and everything else. I had to fix the wire on the exhaust fan. The calves got a hold of the cord here. They got their little mouths on there and chewed the wire off, so I had to rewire that quick. So I got that going. So yeah, so that's what we're up to today. So Well, so here this next couple days, get this done, get cows moved in here, and then we can work on the other part of the barn and get that cleaned out. In between chopping hay and planting the rest of the corn and everything else, so, and doing chores. So, well, guys, probably enough for a video for a day. So, say thanks to all my subscribers. I'm just about up to 500. Pretty close. Well, that's kind of neat. I never thought I'd get 100 subscribers. And someday here you can get up to 1,000. Let me get something for it, I guess, for doing it. It's not too bad. I'm having fun doing it. So. I guess if I was having fun doing it, I wouldn't do it. So. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching. Thank you very much, all subscribers. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.